Today's topic is over multiplying mixed numbers and mixed number. Again, a mixed number is a whole number with added to a fraction, so 5.5. So it's like having 5 pies and a half. If you cut all of these in halves, how many slices or pieces do you have? 5 times 2 is 10, 1 more is 11. You have 11 halves. To find that, you do the popcorn method. 5 times 2 is 10, 1 more is 11 halves. So let's practice that one more time. You have 3 1/4 pies. You cut these into fourths. How many pieces do you have? How many fourths do you have? 3 pies times 4 is 12, 1 more is 13 fourths. Popcorn method. So let's go back to our stanza. Multiplying fraction, that's no problem. Top times top and bottom times bottom. Multiplying mixed number, that's okay. Turn this to a fraction and times away. So for example, if you had, what's 1.5 multiply 3 1/2? Another word for multiply is of. Of means multiply. That's a key word. So multiplying mixed number, that's okay. Turn this to a fraction and times away. So what's 1 1/2 as a fraction, improper fraction? 3 halves. What's 3 1/2 as a improper fraction? 7 halves. So times away, 21/4. That's a good answer, but is there a better answer? Can you turn this improper fraction back to a mixed numbers? How many 4s go in 21? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 5 minus 20. What do you have left over? 1/4. So 5 1/4 is the same or equivalent to 21/4. Do popcorn method. 20 plus 1 is 21. 4 to check your answer. Let's try another one. 3 groups of 4 3/4. If you have 4 3/4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1/4, 1/4, 1. You have 4 3/4 and you have 3 groups of it. How many pies will you have in all? So, multiply mixed number. That's okay. Turn this to a fraction and times away. Turn this to a fraction, 3, 1. Turn this to a fraction, 16 plus 3. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3 is 19 fourths. Times away. 3 times 19 is 57/4. So that's a good answer, but it is improper. How many 4s go into 57? Ugh. I'm going to divide this. I cannot do that in my head. 4 goes 17. 4, 8, 12, 16. 4 times. So remainder 1. So it's 14 1/4. So if you triple this, you'll have 14 pies and 1/4 left over. Let's practice one more in case you say, I have no idea what this man is doing. So what is 6 groups of 1 1/4? So you have 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/4. 6 groups of that. How many pies do we have? If I had to estimate, it's going to be more than 6. These two together make 7, 7.5, I think. Let's see. Multiply mixed number. That's okay. Turn this to a fraction and times away. So it's 5/4. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5/4. So it's 30/4. I'm going to simplify this first. 15/2. How many 2's go in 15? 7 groups. That's 14. Remainder 1/2. It is 7.5. Excellent job. So what's 6 groups of 1 1/4? 34, 15 halves, or 7.5. This is how to multiply mixed numbers times mixed numbers. All you do is you turn it to a fraction and times away. If you get an improper fraction, turn it back to a mixed number.